guys, welcome back to today's video. So I was shopping last night at Trader Joe's, as I do. I love shopping there at night. It's really quiet and no one's really there. So I walked right into the store and stumbled across something so cool. So it was this 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar with Trader Joe's products, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do an unboxing for this on my YouTube channel. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to unbox this baby right here. So if you guys are excited to see what's inside, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos, because I do tons of fun content like this every single week. So let's get into it. If you guys want to find out what is in the Trader Joe's holiday advent calendar, then just keep watching. The Trader Joe's Beauty Advent Calendar retails for $19.99, in case you guys were wondering about the price. So definitely, I guess, a little bit more on the higher end, but Trader Joe's does have good quality ingredients, products. They are known for having more quote-unquote natural products. So I think that's why it's a little bit higher of a price tag. I mean, it's not the chocolate advent calendar, so it's not going to be like $1, but I was really curious because I've tried a couple things from their beauty line and I've really liked everything I've tried. So I was like, this is a great way to try out even more of their products, and maybe there's even some holiday themed stuff in here. The packaging really quick, so cute. I love that it's pink, very girly. They definitely designed this thinking of girls in mind, that we would walk into the store just like I did. It was like the first display, all these pink things. You have this metallic silver writing, so it's really pretty and eye-catching. It has flowers on it, so they did a very nice job drawing in us gals. So there are 12 days in here, and let's start out by going with door number 1. Let's think back to my last advent calendar unboxing. I did Glossybox and I was like, how do I do this? Now I'm a pro. Okay, so day number 1 is so fun. So there it is right there. Also, they did bring back the cat advent calendar with the treats in it. Now my cats did not like it, but maybe your cats will like it. I use my trusty tweezer to pop this sucker out. So first up, we have the Kombucha black tea cleansing oil. This is very interesting. So I wonder if it's on the back and I can see what the ingredients are without trying to cheat too much. Okay, this has sweet almond oil, tangerine peel oil, coconut oil. It does have fragrance, safflower seed oil. So I think this is going to be amazing for double cleansing. I love double cleansing. This should be the first step in your skincare to take off that first layer of foundation, and then after that, put it on your face like a dry face, and then you add a little bit of water and it makes like a milky consistency, and then you wash that off, and then you go in with your regular whatever cleanser you use. So I love that they have a cleansing oil in here. Okay, day number 2 is actually really big. Oh, it is a face mask. I'll show you guys. Helpful to you guys to see if you want to pick this up from your next Trader Joe's trip. I mean, there was a lot, so I don't think it's gonna like sell out. I mean, at least I don't think so. Really glued on here. This is the peel off charcoal face mask. So I am not like the biggest fan of peel off masks because I just feel like they are so painful. I mean, yeah, I guess they might be good for like getting out some gunk, but personally I like using more of a chemical exfoliant rather than something like this. So I think what I'll actually end up doing with this is just putting it in my giveaway pile, or like my Poshmark gift with purchase pile, because I think someone would enjoy this. So I knew there was going to be some sort of face mask or sheet mask in here. I have door number 3, like my grown-up advent calendar dreams right here. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. It is a chai shimmer body wash. This is so cool. It says use in the bath or shower, obviously. It looks like right now. What does it smell like? You guys, it smells so fabulous. Just like a Starbucks. I am putting a little bit on my hand even though it's a body wash. So good. I can't really see the sparkle, so it's not gonna make you look like a disco ball, which probably is a good thing, but I'm definitely gonna be using this. It will smell like a yummy chai latte. That is awesome. I really like that. About this too is that you'll get a lot of limited edition Trader Joe's products that you would not regularly see in the store, in the beauty aisle, in like a full size. So it's kind of like exclusive, which is really nice. Moving on to door number 4 over here. Wait, are you there? Yeah, you're right there. Oh my goodness, I think this is my favorite one. I've only opened 4, but we're gonna say this is probably gonna be my favorite. It is the Trader Joe's Toasted Marshmallow Body Butter, you guys. Oh, this is so exciting. I love marshmallow. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's worth it to get this just for this because it smells heavenly. Oh my gosh, please make this in a full size. I would die. Oh, there are no words. This is the most yummiest, wonderful lotion I have ever smelled. It is perfection. I'm going to be literally, like, how am I going to ever not have this? Because it's so delicious. It smells like toasted cream cheese frosting sugar cookie, like the best possibly smelling sugar cookie ever. Oh my gosh, this is heavenly. Imagine if there was like a matching body spray. Moving on to number 5. I don't know how we're gonna top that one, but number 5 is down here. Okay, number 5. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a berry lip mask, you guys. I would put this on right now, but I have lipstick on for this video. Let's see if I can smell it. It says, apply to lips anytime for a hydration boost throughout the day, or let it work overnight to wake up with soft lips. It's really nice. This is so cute. I love that there's a lip mask in here. I guess it's like raspberry scented because there's little raspberries all over the packaging. Okay, we have had so many strong products so far. Moving on to number 6, which is our halfway point because there are 12 days. I wish there was 25. Toasted marshmallow everything. Like, come out with an entire line, please, of toasted marshmallows, Trader Joe's. Okay, day 6, we have another mask, except this time it is a hair mask. Let me see if I can pry this off of here. It's used twice a week after shampooing. Leave-in hair, allow to condition and soften. So I have to look at the ingredients on the back here. Where are you? Okay, so it is water, panthenol, glycerin, dimethicone. We have argan kernel oil, sweet almond oil, some fragrance. Okay, cool. Yeah, I will definitely be using this. I love hair masks. I love keeping my hair healthy and moisturized, and I love deep conditioners. So we'll definitely be adding this guy to my shower to try out, and I will hopefully get good results from it. Okay, day 7. Where are ye? Okay, there you are. Day 7 is tiny. Yes. Oh my gosh, it looks like food. It's a tiny exfoliating sugar cube. What does it smell like? I literally it's like kind of soft. I honestly, if I did not know any better, I would think you could eat this. Don't eat it. Doesn't really, I can't really smell it from here, but I guess this is like for the shower. It's really small though. Okay, then moving on to day 8, which is, looks a little bit bigger here, is day 8. Whoop. Ooh, it's the Trader Joe's Enrich Moisturizing Face Lotion with SPF 15. That's cool. Let's see. I love SPF cream. It's lightweight. Like, it's not that thick, gloppy, sticky kind of cream feel that you usually get with these types of products that are a cream and an SPF. Usually they're very thick and sticky, but this one's really nice. I will definitely use this underneath makeup. Okay, moving on to day 9. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's another body butter. I'm so excited. The body butters are my favorite, clearly. Okay, wait, I need my tweezers to extract this. I don't know what it is about these stinking advent calendars, but I have so much fun opening them. I feel like a kid again, and I just feel like it's like a fun surprise. Okay, so this is the Trader Joe's Frosted Cranberry Body Butter. I don't know why I keep saying Trader Joe's in front of everything. Like, obviously you guys know at this point where it's from. But Frosted Cranberry sounds so delightful. Ooh, that is festive. That is festive. It's like fruity, but like not in an obnoxious way. Let's put a little on here. And I like these body butters because just as the name suggests, a butter is usually a little bit more thick, a little bit more luxurious, and these definitely are. Like, this will be great for the winter because it has that little bit of thickness to it. This is so nice. It just makes me feel very cozy, and it's not too sweet. It's not like nausea inducing. I definitely like the toasted marshmallow better because that's just my jam. I love sweet scents. But this is very, very nice. I will definitely use this. They did a great job on that. The scent is very spot on. Day 10. Oh my gosh, we're like 3 days left. Have this little bottle. It's formula number 3. Winter Citrus Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash. That's cool. I'm guessing it smells like pine, but we'll see. Well, no, it says citrus. Why am I saying? Wow. It says winter citrus, and I'm like, I guess it smells like pine. Like, what? What's wrong with me? Yeah, it smells citrusy, just like an orange. So this is something Nick would like because it's a 3-in-1. Anything 3-in-1 he likes. So that's super cute. Ooh. Okay, I like this product, but I don't know if I'm gonna like the scent. It's the Grapefruit Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Now, I don't like grapefruit. Oh, that stinks. Okay, it's not bad. It's not my favorite. I would have been much more happy if it was a toasted marshmallow hand cream. This is decent. I mean, this is a good little like car hand lotion, so I will definitely pop this into my car. It has that kind of like squishy aluminum packaging, like the Summer Friday stuff. Hey you guys, we are at day 12, which is the last and final day of the advent calendar. I'm like so sad because I've really had a lot of fun opening this. If you couldn't tell, these like make me really happy. So let's see day 12. Having a very difficult time opening. I think I popped off the whole thing. Day 12, we have another little skincare item. Vitamin C Serum. That is super cool. I don't know if you guys have seen recently on TikTok, but people have been taking iodine and mixing vitamin C in, and it shows like how effective a vitamin C is. It's really cool. Okay, so this is the vitamin C serum. I wonder if this is gonna smell like a dirty hot dog like most vitamin C serums do. I'm excited to try this though. I've obviously tried a Trader Joe's vitamin C serum, but it could have potential. I love vitamin C. I use it, try to use it every day, every other day in the morning. So that is cool. Let's see what the ingredients are. And by the way, that sugar cube is cucumber green tea. A little bit weird of a scent, but okay. It says it has coconut alkanes, orange peel oil, tangerine peel oil, lime oil. Right? I mean, I'm definitely down to try this and see how I like it. I like that it's more of like a lotion consistency. Usually you see they're a little bit more like a clear liquid. So yes, you guys, that is the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. It was really like a skincare calendar, which was so fun. I mean, I really loved everything in here, and obviously you guys know already what my favorite product was. The toasted marshmallow body butter is level amazing. I could just sniff this all day. It's actually, you know what it smells like? It smells like that Dunkaroos frosting I got from Dollar Tree, except in like a body lotion form. This is amazing. I also think the chai body wash is awesome. This smells delish, so I liked everything. This was so fun. So if you guys want to pick this up, it is literally right at the front of the store. Trader Joe's. Definitely limited time because it's just for the holidays. So if you guys are gonna pick this up, let me know in the comments down below. I had so much fun doing this with you, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed these fun little holiday advent calendar unboxing, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.